Okay, what I want to start with are these first three basic images, the smallest of their kind. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a line this way, and I'm going to draw a line that way. That's all I can do with this. The other four lines are on the corners. The points are all over here, right? Those are going to be 8 to 1. Then we have the points over here, and we can do this, as well as we can be drawing this. And in poker, sometimes you're on a draw. On a draw or drawing dead. Just two expressions. So in this one over here, we have this area in the center. And then inside of here, we can create this. What area that is, I do not know. It's got an 8 star in the center. You cannot get an 8 star in this one. You can get an 8 star in this one. You only can get a 4. In this one over here, here's a cross, and that's all you can do. But this one, you get a dot in the center. You also get a 4, but it's not the same thing. Here it's in a singular empty space. Then you have this size over here, and in this size over here, this is always going to be drawing on the line. Okay, when you cross it this way, okay, when you cross it this way, you're going to be drawing in between the lines. I'm not sure that you can see. I'm going to see if I can do this one again. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and then 2 here. And when you draw it, I have to start from outside. Whoop, that's not very straight. I have to start from outside and finish outside, like the Torah. So now you're looking at a 45-degree angle. The reason for that, okay, if I did it over here, I don't have to go to the outside because I'm going from a corner to a corner. I drew it up this way, but really it stops in the corner. All of these stop, except for this one does not stop. See why? Because it's a crossing line, right? There's no area to stop. So I'm not sure what X marks the spot, what that value is compared to that value over here. And the same thing here. First you'll go this way, and then we can go the other way. I just wanted to back it up one page to take a look at this one over here. See, we created a larger one. You see the singular dot that's in the center. So what happens to this one is, first of all, let me redraw it. Okay, and we're going to go with a dot here, and then we're going to go to line, and then we're going to go with a line and a bigger line, and here, and then here, and a dot. So when you look at this, let's see if I can get this. You see here, all four meet together. Over here, all four meet together. Here, all four meet together. It meets here, and it meets here. When it meets in the four corners of a line. So when I draw this one straight through, I'm hitting row 1 with the corner. I'm hitting row 2, okay, over here. I'm hitting row 3 over here, and at the top, row 4. The first line, the second line, the third line, and fourth line. But if I'm running this way, okay, I will hit the first one, and then I will miss the second one. And I'll hit the third one, miss the fourth one, hit the fifth one, miss the sixth one, hit the seventh one. What does that mean? It means when you see this area here, this area between the windows, the other ones are going like this. It's a voided area space. So I'm only going to hit the 4 of them, okay, on 1, 3, 5, 7, and I'm going to miss on 2, 4, and 6. It's going to be the in-between. That's the beehive. So that's just a situation going on. The other thing is, if we want to look at this and what is this, okay, this is just a large, this is a 4 cell, this is a 9 cell, and this is a 4 cell. But in reality, it's 3, okay, over here. It's 3 over here, and it's 3 over here. When these two come together, it leaves 2 empty spaces, and it blocks in an empty space over here. So we take 2 more, putting it on each end, so we're blocking them all in. So now the center one, in reality, it's 3 areas, 1 area, and 3 areas. In this one, it's 3 areas. And then it's the 1 to the center, and this one, 3 and 1 to the center. And the orphan children, or orphan roulette, the 5775, is going to be created through this. as well as what is man, the word man. When you put L next to V, I'm not really sure which way I wanted to do that, because when I put L next to V, I end up with this triangle, and when I put L backwards next to V, I'll end up looking like that. At the same time, you're looking at 77 fighting heads, right? You look at 77, 77 is K. You want to look at 77, 77 is Z. You want to look at 77, 77 is N. So there's 3 letters in the alphabet that would create, and we can also create the flat top R. What other letters are created with 7? We'll get into it another time. Oh yes, if you want to create the 7 over here, we're just going to put the C top on top of it. And we can do the same thing for the 6. You see the 7 over here, and then the 7 over here. All we did is add 11. 7, 11. 5 and 2, 7. 7 empty spots, 4 empty spots. 7 and 4, time energy inside the house of Bate, B and E. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. 38, Kansas City Chiefs. Mahomes, man on the moon. Thank you for watching this video.